just to make it quick. Home attend to the sick. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory.
Shuri, ready? Go!